I think all 15 of my t-shirts are gonna sell out. Like
shirts.
Everybody thinks we're doing a drug deal.
And it's all in Ziploc bags.
No, so in high school I used to
pet kittens.
Now this is my way out. If you're reading this now, it's too late. You're guilty by affiliation. This is a behind-the-scenes web series documenting the collaboration process by Out of 10,000 and Friends. Filmed in Calgary, Alberta, Canada. Alright, fuck it. Alright, we're pilot episode. Okay, so first things first, go buy lens cap, SD card, and then when the sun's at the top, we should go film our intro shot. We've got like a half hour. Number 3, samples. We need to get locations. Number 4 is questions for people.
I think the t-shirts are gonna sell out.
What about the tickets?
The tickets?
Fucking plotting, scheming, thinking. This show thing's not going ideal. Like, I need a bunch of people to fucking call me back.
For this TV show?
No, this booth for us to go sell the shirts and shit.
Okay. Like, to actually get the booth, like, you have to get
sell
more
20.
people. Yeah, to get more people to sell the 20 tickets.
Yeah, we have to sell 20 tickets in the next 6 days. It's not impossible.
No.
But we just, like...
Well, how many do we have sold right now?
0. We're saying photography, that's downtown.
Yeah, Olympic Plaza.
Oh,
so
that's actually, that's pretty cool.
It's gonna be
That's
probably,
also really cool.
Yeah, this is probably what I'm gonna be putting on the
Yeah, that's
t-shirt.
the next thing we're working on right
So
We've sold t-shirts as consignment items before.
now. You guys
then
just
the
want
rest.
to be like basically the platform that make it
Yeah, we'll take
Yeah,
like
I'd be like
$2
the-
and pretty much the rest goes out to you.
If you guys
Here,
are
I'll
cool-
follow you guys on Instagram.
Ramona Parks released the same night.
Oh yeah.
So like he
It's a really solid album.
Yeah, right. I really liked it.
Yeah, no, these are. I really like these designs.
I'll be straight up. I have most of them in the backpack in this car right now across the street. Okay, that one's a 1 of 1.
Everybody thinks we're doing a drug deal.
I guess I'm Greg.
Oh hey, yeah, Troy.
Is that a Buick?
You guys in school right now, or?
I'm in school, but
May I? Thank you. Okay, this is very like professional. Which ones tickled your fancy?
Oh yeah, no, that one's cool. QR code on the back. Yeah, I like that.
Those 3 sparkle, sunshine? Too cool?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, no, I like those ones. Large here. Pull this on.
please put it on top, please.
Those 2 are mediums.
Trapping on the low.
This one is a medium. Now you just
We'll give back the small. I'll take the medium. Red. Yeah, thanks so much. Do you have some extra cards? We can just keep them up at the front.
I will come back.
All right.
Bring full stack.
Yeah, all right.
And let's make you some AGE shirts.
Yeah,
I can
appreciate
bring a
it.
stack of like 5 of those.
Yeah, 100%.
But guess how many sprays?
Yeah. Bags for me.
Medium sounds good.
This is fucking crazy, man. We're going into Long&Mcquads. We're gonna steal some drum samples. We're gonna ask people questions. It's a little segment called Ask Why. And we're just, it's just gonna be super fucking awkward and entertaining and insightful. And I'm so excited about it.
I gotta go catch the bus.
What's your favorite song?
Moth Joe Flame.
Hello, sir. What's your favorite song?
Every song I name, you won't know it.
whatever you look. Right? Rap? Okay, let's do it.
Mankiam, yeah.
Oh, man, Kiam.
Okay. What's up, guys? What's your favorite song? What are you listening to right now?
Nothing. My favorite song?
Yeah, what's your favorite song?
Powered by Kanye West.
Nice. What's your favorite song?
What's your guys' favorite song?
Right now could be The Color Violet, Tory Lanez.
Dang.
Put me on the spot.
Do it. Keep you on your toes. Hello, sir. What's your favorite song?
I don't know.
I listen to the same thing every day when I like it. Hello. What? Hello. What's your favorite song? No. Nope. Except when they give me the dirty look like that, but they didn't want to talk. What's your favorite song?
Favorite song? Bruno Mars.
Oh, Bruno Mars.
Piano Man, Elton John.
Great song. Children, what's your favorite song?
I Will Wait, Mumford & Sons.
Wow. Okay.
Oh.
Okay. What's your favorite song?
Not Canadian song, bro.
That's okay. What is
It's
it?
Tunisian.
Yeah, Lily. Balti. The song is Balti.
Yeah, Lily.
We just arrived like a month ago, but yeah, this area is very good.
Even the people also is very good.
They're very good.
Yeah.
Great.
Let's hear what you got. What do you got for verses?
For verses, right now at the top of the.
This is pretty good at it, actually.
With the big furry mic, you know. It's like, what's the point?
God
of that?
no. Oh.
He asked for this word in the fucking way there. He's like, yeah, we're gonna go freestyle in town. I'm like, maybe not. I mean, if it happens, it happens.
Yeah. There's like 10 minutes of footage of you battle rapping a homeless dude. Yeah, and the worst part is you lost. It's like, it's bad for the brand, Dominic. You're gonna get into a battle rap. You better win, buddy.
I just let it all loose because I got nothing left to lose.
And you got nothing left to prove.
Oh, nothing to prove, everything to hide, everything that I do carry more than on the surface. It's written all over the inside. I used to take pride, but I display wrath. Now I don't even know what to do with my fucked up past.
Oh, we got that chronic. You don't know the phonics. You don't know how to spit the words. You don't know the product. You don't know the vowels. You don't know the periods. You don't know the shit. You don't know the delirious.
What's your favorite song? You don't know? Okay. Huh?
I don't know. I like R&B music.
Bryson Tiller, Run Me Dry.
Yeah, I like
On repeat right now. We're trying. This is Domino's next song. That's gonna be the cover for the single. So I don't know. Would you be interested in that?
I would.
You would. Okay. Do you want black on white or white on black? And what size do you want?
Black on, no, white on black.
White on black. Like black shirt,
Yeah.
white designs. That's what I said. He wanted to make only the white shirts.
Okay, black on white. I'm having a good time. Having a good time. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, ladies. I think this is going successfully. I'm glad we stayed around. We pushed through. Please tell me you've been fucking recording. Yeah, we're recording. The camera's dying. I think let's just fucking do it till we die. Hello. What's your favorite song?
Good question. Sorry.
Hi. How are you?
Good.
Did I saw you guys on TikTok or something?
I hope so. You're gonna see this one on TikTok.
Wait, what are you guys doing?
We don't really know. We're asking questions. We're actually selling t-shirts. We're making t-shirts for his next single. Yeah, the design. Get them the design. And
So cute.
we're
You guys should make them in like little crop tops.
Crop tops?
yeah.
That's a good idea. I haven't thought about that.
Yeah.
Oh, I've
that's
thought
a
about
great
it a
idea.
bunch.
You thought about?
I've thought about it. This is the design.
When you design like the skeleton that's playing the piano over here, this look.
This is actually Dom's design, but it's supposed to be a jazz club. I don't know why are we skeletons? It's a great question. And we'll put yours as a crop top.
Oh my god, for real?
Oh, 100%.
Hell yeah.
100%.
You guys better give us like free entry.
If you get the shirt, you get free entry. If you pay for entry, you get a free shirt. That's the combo deal.
Do you guys want our social media?
Yes, please.
What was the question for me again?
What's your favorite song?
Right now it's like First Class by Jack Harlow.
So how do you feel about Calgary?
Dry.
I think that was pretty much it.
Yeah, thank you.
Can we sell a t-shirt? How do you feel about Calgary?
And new music.
And what's your favorite song?
Yeah.
Oh, is there one more?
The basketball one.
No, there was one. We smoked too much weed.
Yeah.
Did you smoke marijuana? Not to incriminate yourself on the record, but it is legal now.
I smoked, I took a couple hits before I came to the mall.
Well, I mean, like,
I'm like chill the fuck out right now. Bitch, we gotta smoke weed together.
Bro, this would be iconic. So good together.
Let's just go smoke joints right now.
You guys have weed?
Yeah.
Wait, let's smoke some weed. Let's smoke some
Okay.
weed.
Let's go.
Okay, and that's the end of Ash Calgary. All right, thanks for joining us. The first pilot episode. Well, the only pilot episode, but it is the first episode and the pilot. Guilty by affiliation. Yeah. We're gonna wrap this up really quick. The camera is probably gonna die before we're done talking. I'm just giving you that disclaimer now. For when you see the cinematic shots, that's what happened. That's what happened. Did a lot of good shit today.
Yeah.
I think the biggest announcement is that we got your shirts. We're gonna do a sale as we release them. They're gonna come out on sale. They're gonna be brand new and on sale. Only 20 shirts because we need to sell 20 tickets. You get a ticket and a shirt for $20.
Yep.
After we sell these 20, the shirts are gonna be $30.
So get them while they're hot.
Yeah, get them while they come with a fucking ticket. Like,
Yeah, because you can go to this event. It'll be sick. Like, it'll be fun. There'll be other brands there. So
there's gonna be dance music and belly dancers and booze. And if you don't come, you got $10 off a shirt.
yeah,
So I think you should do it.
yes. I agree.
And I really need you to do it.
Hey guys, we need this booth set up. So
Well, yeah, we said we're gonna fucking do it, so let's do it, everybody.
that's what I'm saying.
What else we got? We got on May 12th. We're gonna drop some other shit.
Yeah.
So we're gonna drop Domino's shirt before May 12th. We're gonna drop it basically this weekend.
Yeah.
Like, basically this weekend, we're gonna drop Domino's shirt. We're gonna drop a few more shirts on May 12th, and we're gonna drop sample pack around that time with a song. The song's getting wrote. Oh, we're supposed to go call fucking Beanie.
Yeah.
I guess anything you want to say before we go call Beanie?
Come out,
Yeah.
show out, and show up.
Come to the show. Show up. Support local.
Yep.
Calgary's not that bad. And if it is, we're the best parts of it, baby. Come support us. I mean, if you think it's bad. If you think
literally.
it's great, like, yeah, we suck.
We're
but
still the best part.
No, yeah, well,
Yeah, we're still the best part. Sorry. Even if it's the best, sorry.
just for the mindset alone, we are.
We are the best. That's it. There's no other mindset, ifs, ands, or buts about
I
it.
think we're still fucking. Yeah, we made it. It's live. Yeah, okay. I think we did a thing.
Yeah.
Let's go home.
Let's back her up.
We gotta call Beanie.
Yeah.
I think we missed Beanie.
No.
East. What time is it? It's almost 12?
Yeah.
So, like, is the sun already setting?